Italy was battered by severe thunderstorms on the 21st of August 2026, as violent winds, torrential rain, and downbursts struck multiple regions. From Tuscany to Emilia-Romagna and Friuli-Venezia Giulia, the weather turned dangerous within minutes.
Madonna!
In Larciano, Tuscany, an intense downburst unleashed powerful straight-line winds, causing damage. In Tonfano, Versilia, a reported tornado damaged beach facilities and parts of the town. The storm outbreak became particularly severe across Emilia-Romagna. Forli and surrounding areas were hit by a squall line, with wind gusts exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. Trees fell, roofs were damaged, and debris covered residential areas. In Carpinello, a building roof was torn away by a downburst, and the Vecchiazzano sports center was damaged. In Castiglione di Ravenna, roofs were damaged or ripped away, and numerous trees fell. Powerful winds also swept through Lido di Savio, Marradi, Tredozio and Medicina. Heavy rain made driving hazardous along the A14 motorway near Forli. Further north, extreme weather reached Lignano Sabbiadoro, where people were forced to shelter indoors. Near Trieste, a massive rainwall accompanied a severe storm system with a reported tornado. Off Vietri sul Mare in Campania, a waterspout was captured over the sea.